my channel. If you're new here, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you're a long time subscriber of mine, welcome. Thank you for coming again. Keep coming. So today I'll be doing roasted pork, or should I say baked pork? Well, it's baked pork in the oven barbecue. So I went ahead and I seasoned my pork overnight. No, you guys won't see this part of it. I just went ahead and just did this part of it. So I'm just going to show you what it's looking like now, and I'm going to go ahead and pop this in the oven for an hour, hour and a half, depending on the texture of this pork, whether it's soft or it's, it's a lot harder to cook. So I'm just going to show you guys. So this is what my pork is looking like, and I just basically went ahead and I used garlic powder, my homemade jerk seasoning, and I also used some dry jerk seasoning, some salt, and yeah, that's it. So I didn't want to put any scotch bonnet pepper in this, seeing that it would be marinating for a long time. So you guys will see the update on this, my oven roasted pork or barbecue pork. So this is my pork, and I've just lined my pan with foil paper so as to make it, the pork, not really stick, and also to make cleaning up a lot easier. If you have a casserole dish or a roasting dish, you can go ahead and put your pork in that. I don't have one of that, so you just have to improvise. So I'm just going to pop this in my oven now at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for an hour, hour and a half. I'll check on it to see how much I really need for this to cook, so you guys will be updated as I go along. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Guys, I don't want to tell you how tough this pork was, but this pork was extremely hard. It was not as tender as the first pork that I did when I did the stew pork. This pork was cooking for like 3 hours, and it's probably little over 3 hours, and it would probably be more if I didn't take it out and give it a little bit of a pressure in the pressure cooker, then pop it back in the oven. And we're here now, we're on the final lap of this pork. So I've just basted my pork with some barbecue sauce, and I'm going to be putting back my pork in the oven. But just to show you guys, I was so frustrated with this pork, so hence the reason why I did not show you midway through. But guys, this pork was hard as stone. So guys, I'm just going to pop it back in the oven, and you guys will see the finished product and also see what I'll be pairing this with. Okay guys, so just stay tuned. So guys, my pork is finally ready. As I said, it has been cooking for like 3 hours, but thankfully it's finished now, and this is what I will be having my pork with: rice and peas and steamed vegetable. So guys, if you're still here with me, do remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Until then, lovies, walk good. Mwah.